Korea provides food assistance to displaced people in Iraq. The Republic of Korea, a Shining World Leadership Award for Compassion laureate, donated $600,000 to the United Nations World Food Program to help with 3 months of food aid to more than 350,000 people living in camps in Iraq. This generous donation will help 280,000 displaced Iraqis and 76,000 Syrian refugees in Iraq and will be provided via monthly direct cash, mobile money transfers, and electronic vouchers. This system will thus enable households to select and buy their own food while supporting local markets. Our heartfelt gratitude, Korea and the United Nations World Food Program, for your generous assistance. May our Iraqi and Syrian brothers and sisters soon live in lasting peace and security in heaven's love.
For the first time, COVID-19 vaccine results are published in a scientific journal. COVID-19 vaccine producers, Oxford University and AstraZeneca, both headquartered in the United Kingdom, have published their final stage clinical trial data in the prestigious medical journal The Lancet. Evaluating data from 4 ongoing clinical trials with thousands of participants from Brazil, South Africa, and the United Kingdom, the researchers found that the vaccine was successful in approximately 70% of cases. This is considered a key development towards producing a safe and effective treatment for the coronavirus. Thank you, Oxford University and AstraZeneca scientists, for your devoted contribution towards the control of the pandemic. In divine benediction, may we swiftly move towards a pandemic-free future, foremost by being vegan.
Egg consumption linked to diabetes. A recent study has found that people who regularly consumed 1 or more eggs per day increased their risk of diabetes by 60%. The study, carried out by the University of South Australia in collaboration with China Medical University and Qatar University, looked at more than 8,500 adults who were part of the China Health and Nutrition Survey between 1991 and 2009. During that period, egg consumption in the country almost doubled, thus increasing concerns as diabetes is a serious health issue in China. More than 11% of the nation's people suffer from this illness. Fortunately, however, research has shown that diet is a known and alterable factor of the onset of type 2 diabetes. Our appreciation, university scientists. May all people switch to a clean and lean plant-based diet for optimal health and happier lives in celestial light.
Tunisian company creates affordable 3D printed bionic hands. Tunisian-based startup Cure Bionics, founded in 2018 by 28-year-old Mohamed Douafi, has created 3D printed hands that are fully solar powered. The mechanical hand has a thumb and fingers that flex and a rotatable wrist controlled by the user. Mr. Douafi, an engineer, was inspired to design this after seeing that his young cousin's family could only afford to buy her 1 pair of artificial arms when she reaches adulthood. The new prosthetic device can be easily personalized and resized for kids as they grow, and is affordable in developing African countries, which is where Mr. Douafi plans to offer it. Kudos, Mohamed Douafi and Cure Bionics, for engineering products that will enhance the quality of life for many. In Allah's guidance, may we soon see many more such beneficial solutions in a compassionate and sustainable world.
Police officer saves teenager's life. Officer Matthew Perry from the Roswell Police Department in Georgia, United States, recently saved the life of a 14-year-old boy who had an object lodged in his throat. The boy's mother, Monica Hickman, stopped the car in the turning lane and was flashing her lights and sounding her horn to get the attention of the nearby policeman. In the right place at the right time, Officer Perry immediately pulled his motorcycle over, quickly pulled the teen out of the vehicle, and carried out the Heimlich maneuver by applying pressure to the abdomen. Within a few seconds, the boy thankfully resumed breathing. Heaven's gratitude, Officer Matthew Perry, for your fast, life-saving response. May you be abundantly blessed as you continue your noble call of duty.
Supreme Master Ching Hai happily present the Shining World Hero Award to Officer Matthew Perry with high praises, love and respect. May God bless and shield your noble soul always.
vegan meals, and food donated worldwide during pandemic. Million Dollar Vegan, a global nonprofit that promotes the vegan lifestyle, has initiated the Share Vegan campaign. Through this initiative, the organization so far has donated over 300,000 meals to those in need across 14 countries in response to the pandemic. Million Dollar Vegan also helps raise awareness on how adopting a plant-based diet can benefit our health and our planet, as well as lower the risk of pandemic outbreaks. As part of the campaign, through partnerships with local plant-based friendly food companies, over 1,000 kilograms of vegan food were donated to the Food Bank of Madrid in Spain, easing the holidays a little for the vulnerable. Great work, Million Dollar Vegan, and all donors and collaborators. May God continue to bless your timely sharing of plant-based food and its vital benefits throughout the world.
Supreme Master Ching Hai thankfully present the Shining World Compassion Award to Million Dollar Vegan plus $10,000 in humble support of your impressive and benevolent projects. With heartfelt gratitude and love, may heaven bless you evermore as we strive together towards our world vegan goal.
Lifelong cattle ranchers make the vegan switch. Having recently adopted the compassionate vegan lifestyle, former cattle ranchers Richard Traylor and his wife Cindy are transitioning their sixth-generation Texas ranch to more sustainable and benevolent plant-based agriculture. The Traylors enlisted the help of vegan advocate Renee King Sonnen of Rowdy Girl Sanctuary, a vegan farm and animal sanctuary in Texas, and the Rancher Advocacy Program, an organization that helps livestock ranchers transition to financially stable and more eco-friendly enterprises. The Traylors are currently devoting their time to research into growing plants such as bamboo, hemp, and micronutrient-rich vegan foods. Mr. Traylor told Veg News magazine, "I couldn't be a rancher and an environmentalist without being a hypocrite. I needed to walk the walk. You're killing the planet and killing yourself." Congratulations and bless you, Richard and Cindy Traylor. May many others also be inspired to change to vegan livelihoods and thus be showered with divine grace and happiness.